trick, right? Well, guess what? I'm going to be teaching you how to do it. First step is clap twice. Next step is like this. Once you got good at that, you can move on to this. Clap once. Once you got really good at that, you can move on to this. Move the cup over. Once you master that, you can move on to this. Clap once, again. Once you got good at that, you can move on to this. Once you got good at that, guess what? We're on the last step already. You go like this. Here's it a little bit slower. Once you get good at the whole thing, it'll sound like this. I hope you enjoyed learning this trick with me. It was so fun to teach you guys. But don't leave yet. You forgot to like this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Sadie's World. See you in my next video. Bye.